Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 372. Let's make note of the time. It is now 11:14 p.m. July 28th Eastern Standard Time in Toronto, and Winnipeg would have ended at 11 p.m. This is for one box of extended series, and it is the 9th box of 12, all from the same case. And the serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings on eBay, and we will be sure to show that before we open the box. All right, guys, there's some new guys with me. We're just going to go over the rules. And if you are brand new, I would have sent you an email. Just a welcome email, basically making sure we're all on the same page. Please take your time to reply just to make sure that we're all on the same page. If you have already, thank you. If you haven't, please check your email and please reply that we all understand what a box break is. All right, so let's pick on B. Curtis just because he's been with me before and he's a good guy. He owns the Avalanche, the Stars, and the Kings. I'm going to open up this box. There's 24 packs. There's one hit in each pack, except for one pack does not have a hit. So there's 23 hits to mail out. If there are any Colorado, Dallas, or LA King cards, I'm going to mail them to B. Curtis, whatever shipping address is on eBay. In the unfortunate event that there are no Colorado, Dallas, or LA King cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to B. Curtis because there was nothing to mail. Yes, he did pay 50 cents per team for these 3 teams, but that is a group collection to help with the amount of product that needs to go out with extended series. All right, so and if you do have a hit coming to you, please be patient as COVID has slowed down the shipping, but your cards will arrive. Just give it a little bit more patience and you will receive your cards. All right, let's get to it. Aiden's Cards owns the Carolina Hurricanes. B. Curtis has the Avalanche, the Stars, and the Kings. Dahas has the Minnesota Wild. Fast Forward Fish owns the Coyotes, the Jackets, the Leafs, the Canucks, and the Winnipeg Jets. Gamecocks owns the Senators. Grow owns the Bruins. J. Bia owns the Ducks. Kerr owns the Rangers. Luongo Hockey owns the Lightning. MJB owns the Canadiens, the Devils, the Islanders. Napoli owns the Vegas Golden Knights. Nuxelkman owns the Blackhawks, the Penguins, and the Sharks. Odie owns the Red Wings. Sasha has the Sabres, the Flames, the Predators, the Flyers, and the Blues. Sai owns the Panthers. Shazam owns the Oilers. And running us out, Trey Lazaro owns the Washington Capitals. All right, 658948 as we transition over to the webcam. And let's get that out of the way first. 658948 as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Just want to make sure all systems go. We are, and let's get to it. Again, this is a very fun product for me. I really enjoy pulling the hits. There's always an Easter egg in every box. Yesterday we hit a 3D card, which was crazy. I landed on a rookie. So I'm happy that there's a plethora of hits and also that there are some very good, valuable cards and some great potential. Okay, here we go. Pack 1. We start off with a rookie class, Tim Stutzla, for your Ottawa Senators. Congratulations to Ottawa. And again, please email me if you have any questions. We have a Ovations, Nick Suzuki, for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations, Montreal. And we do go through them all just in case, but generally the rule is 1 hit per pack, and we're looking for variants. So we'll make sure that and like always, one of the packs right off the hop is the dead pack, which, like I said, there's always 1 out of the 24, which has been my experience. We start off with a young gun for your Winnipeg Jets, Logan Stanley. This kid's a beast. And we have our first 506 card. Comtoy. What's his first name? Maxime Comtoy for your Anaheim Ducks. One of the first 506 cards. There's 4 of those in a box, and 1 has been landing on a rookie. And the rookies that have been pulled out of the 9 or 8 previous boxes have been very, very good. Here's our second 506, this time in the form of Mitch Marner for your Toronto Maple Leafs. T63, I think that says. So there's 2. Should be 1 more and 1 rookie. And always something special. So let's see what the special card this time is. Young gun incoming for your LA Kings, Cole Hults. Congratulations to the LA Kings. We have a Sidney Crosby Ultimate Victory for your Pittsburgh Penguins. And we hit our SPX, well, I like to call it SPX, but it is SPX Finite for your Vancouver Canucks, Elias Pettersson. Yeah, there's one of those in every box, which is a little different than just hitting the regular jersey card. So those are fun to collect as well. We have a Nick Robertson Holo FX for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Young Guns, Jake Bischoff for your Vegas Golden Knights. Congratulations to Vegas. We have a Dazzler, Kevin Lankinen for your Chicago Blackhawks. If memory serves me correctly, and I read that right, it says that Fleury has been signed by the Blackhawks. Wow. And apparently he's not happy. Young gun incoming for your Montreal Canadiens, Cameron Hillis. Don't tell me there's another dead pack. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, another dead pack. They put 2. Wow. I thought one of those said variant Francais, but it did not. Young Gun, St. Louis Blues, Joel Hofer. And it's a French variation. I didn't think they were doing it, but Jean Loops. Congratulations, St. Louis. Look how young this kid is. Congratulations, St. Louis, picking up a first one of the case. They were more prevalent in the Series 1 and Series 2. But in Extended, this is the first one out of 9 boxes. So congrats. That's a big hit. We have a Artemi Panarin Holo FX. The NHL variation of it. So congratulations to the Rangers on that. And we have a Sasha Chmelevski for your San Jose Sharks. Congratulations to San Jose. I guess one of those packs that should have been a regular base French variant, they took that out and put it in with this. We have an Ian Mitchell Ultimate Victory for your Chicago Blackhawks. Rookie variation. We have a Reflections for your Vancouver Canucks. Quinn Hughes. Congratulations, Vancouver. We have a rookie class. These are supposed to be signed, but this one is not. Igor Zamula for your Philadelphia Flyers. Not sure where we are in the Young Gun count, but we still are owed 2 of those 506 variations, and 1 should be a rookie. Here's another Young Gun for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Drew O'Connor. But I'm not sure if the Young Gun French variant screwed up the mix of cards, but we will see. Still 3 packs to go. We have a Mike Zibanejad Ultimate Victory for your New York Rangers. Two packs to go. And it does not disappoint. We get the Vitek Vanacek for your Washington Caps. Retro 506 rookies. That's a nice looking card. Young Guns along the left there. Congratulations to Washington. And if the packaging is done right, there should be another 506 card in here, but on a base card. But who knows? And it is in the form of Joel Farabee for your Philadelphia Flyers. And there you have it. Thanks, guys. We go again, box 10 tomorrow. We're just going to sign off again. We're going to go back to the desktop and show you the time. It is now 11:28 p.m. Thanks, guys, and hope to see you guys tomorrow night.